I'm going to take you on a different kind of cooking journey. Yes, I'm going to take you straight back to yard, straight back to Jamaica. Yes, today I'm going to cook you guys some saltfish rundown. Okay, so over here, I got my coconut. I got a whole onion. I got 3 garlic cloves. I got green onions. I got hot pepper. I got a tomato. I got me them 3 different color sweet pepper. Here I got a green one. And right here is my saltfish. Right here I got me some pimento seed, allspice berry or what they call them. Yes guys, so now I'm going to go ahead and finish cut up my coconut so I can get them to blend. So let me get my knife. Yes guys, let me get my knife. So you don't have to cut them too small. You don't have to be about too crazy with the cutting. Yes, so just cut them up so the blender can manage them, because coconut is tough, so you don't want to put too much pressure on your blender. Yes guys, so just cut them in small cubes like this. Not too small. You ain't feeding the birds. Not too small. Just enough so that the blender can manage it and you don't pressure your blender and burn it out. And with the worst is the second time I'm using my blender. Can't afford to burn them up. Yes guys, it's been a minute I ain't eaten no coconut rundown, no saltfish rundown. So today I gonna be the day. Long time. Yes guys, so comment down in the comment section man. The people who love them rundown, whether salt mackerel rundown, coconut rundown, smoke red herring rundown. Yes, all of that can make rundown. Yes guys, so alright, put that over there so that's my water to blend my coconut. Right, open up my blender now. Yeah, me I go. Wash them off already, but me I wash them off again. Because we already start the cutting process. So drain them. Alright, we dash them in the blender now. And guys, watch the water when you pour the water in your coconut. You don't want to flood it with no water, because the more water you put in there, it make your mixture watery. So watch the intake of water. So right now, I got 2.5 cups of water. Yes, so now I'm going to use the whole 2.5 cups. I'm going to leave a little bit and I will just add it if needed. Alright. So we're going to start the blending. Let me get my dish rag. Yeah, so we're just going to start the blending now. Turn them on. So we're going to hit smooth. Yes, so after I finish blending now, I'm going to strain my coconut juice. Go ahead and strain it out in the pot that I'm going to use to cook the rundown. So yeah, so you want to blend your coconut as smooth as possible, so you get out all you can get out of your coconut. Yeah, and this real smooth. So you can see the texture of the coconut. Yeah, real smooth. This really blend out. Yeah man, the rundown I was shot tonight. Long time I not eat no rundown. By just talking about the rundown, make my mouth run water. Right now I'm so mad because I've been preaching this rundown for the past couple of weeks. Somebody on the channel request some rundown too, you know. Yeah man, somebody on the channel request some rundown. So I eat this. Yeah, but I didn't have some regular time. Yes. And I can't find it. I don't know where I put it. I go grocery shopping and I guess maybe you get thrown in one of the garbage trash bag. Because I can't find it. But anyway, I have some time flakes. I use them. You know, give me the flavor they like what I did I look for. With the green time, because you know the fresh time give you a different kind of buzz when it comes to flavor. But I have to use them I have. Yes guys, so the straining process of the coconut is complete. So over here, I got my coconut milk. Yes guys, so what I'm going to do now is go ahead and light the stove and make my coconut milk go and boil. Meanwhile, I get my vegetable them ready. So when we reach a stage there, we'll add them to this. So guys, I will be right back with that process. Yes guys, so we're back now. Now it's time for me to add the vegetable to the pot. So as you can see in the pot, it starts cutting the oil, the custard and everything. So I'm just going to go ahead now and add my vegetable. I'm going to go ahead now and add my vegetable. Get my spoon. Yes guys, so put in all the colors in there. Yes guys, we eat to do iron. Yes, so this is the pepper right in there, everything. Yes guys, so I turn him up back here now and make him go on do him thing. Alright, so when we come back now, I add my saltfish to him. Put in my rest a little seasoning them in him, season to taste and run down with it on him way. Yes guys, so rundown is in high swing now. Yes man, just a few more minutes and then we're ready. Few more minutes guys. Yeah. Tell me how him look. Tell me how him look. Yes guys. We soon reach there. Yes, the smell. May I tell you, the smell no normal. The smell no normal at all. Where I come out of it. The smell alone make my mouth run water. Yeah man, the good old rundown man. I know when my mother see this, he must proud of me. Big up yourself sister already, you don't know. Your boy have all the skills there is in the kitchen. Yeah man. Eddie my big brother. Watch this a one. This a one gone boy. This a one gone. Yes guys, so see her there? Finish. So when you cook your rundown guys, this how your rundown must look. Okay? This is how your rundown must look. So take a good look, and I hope you follow the recipe. Yes, that's the finished rundown. So come back, stay tuned, and watch out for the platings, because the platings now go normal. So this is my finished dish. Yes, see your rundown look nice and pretty. Yes, serve up with 2 proper dumpling and piece of yellow yam. Yes, my people. And now, you will dig in it and go on my feedback. How him taste. Zin, Miss Nam teach him boy well. When I say well, Miss Nam teach him boy well. Alright guys, some with us. Dig in him and see what I go on for him. We just dig in at him and see what I go on for him. A little bit of the rundown. Yes guys, me put my foot, my toe, everybody me put in at this bad, this eating, this good. Remember guys, like, share and subscribe to the channel for this and more awesome cooking video. Yeah, stay tuned guys, continue to watch a big bad video when we drop them. Yeah, I'm out.